Welcome back to the writing course, task one. So here now we're about to write formal letter for English course experience. So we don't have to read again like the task. We already know what it's about, right? So now we're writing to the course organizers. So we should give feedback on what went well and suggest improvements. So between like 120 or 50 words we can write, or even more than that. But yeah, you shouldn't forget that would be still your task too. That's the reason. You should be careful with your time and also not losing the track of time. You should keep the track of time. So now, for greeting, I would say here, dear language center organizers. So I don't know their names. That's why. And for my introduction parts, I would write to thank you for them and also to suggest what they can do to do a little bit improvement for the language center. Okay. Now I'm writing to express. We already used appreciation if you remember. Now I would use gratitude. I'm writing to express my gratitude for the English course I recently completed at your center. So I'm thanking for them. Mm, And here, so express my gratitude for the English course and also to share my ideas, right? And also to give some suggestions that can help your, what can you say, language center again? Your educational center improve. Okay. Now, and in details, I will tell what went well. Yeah. So what went well? Here, first things that came to my mind is about teachers. So we should talk about them, right? Let's write about teachers, instructors, we can say. So the instructors were highly experienced and supportive, and they helped me, let's say, significantly. So they helped me significantly improve all of my language skills. And we should specify what kind of skills we are talking about. So, particularly speaking and writing. Okay. So, yeah, we talk about instructors. So, them being highly experienced and also supportive. helped me significantly improve all language skills. So here, yeah, all of them are like topic-based vocabulary and particular speaking, writing, right? Yeah, instructors. Let's highlight this one as well. And educational center, you can say, as topic-based vocab. Yeah. Now let's continue now. Okay, now let's now also express other our course mates' opinion as well. So let's add some information. I'm Alexandros here. On behalf of my course mates. So on behalf of my course mates, it means like from not only from my perspective and also from others like opinions, ideas from their sides we're talking on now on behalf of. It's a good thing you should know. Okay, so on behalf of my course mates, I would like to thank I would like to thank you and your teaching staff. What's teaching staff? It means like you, teachers, instructors, overall, for let's continue again. Putting a great deal of efforts into making this very language center stand out from others. Okay, now take a look. So, teaching staff, teachers, instructors, so puts a great deal of effort. Here it means like putting a lot of effort, like working on something, effort into. After it, of course, we use verb ing form. And very here it means like exactly making this very exactly this language center stand out. So you should learn this one. Stand out, it means making something special. So this very language center stand out from others, making it more like, special, not ordinary. So yeah, good. Thank you for them and also teachers. And here, yeah, our sentence connected. It's super highly experienced, supportive language skills. So now, what else we like? So we can talk about atmosphere. Let's talk about the atmosphere. Also, the atmosphere in the classes also was wonderful, let's say, right? Mm, okay, like teaching methods, we can also talk about. The atmosphere in the classes also was wonderful. Why was it was wonderful? Because teachers' approach was different from others, right? So, and the teaching methods were far more effective, workable, practical than Zeus we are comparing here. I had the experienced elsewhere. Elsewhere. Okay. Here, we're talking about its atmosphere in the classes. So also, yeah, yeah, here like talking another thing, points that we really like it. Because we can say here, let's say, or since just like since the teaching methods were far more effective. So it was really effective. We really like it. As that since I had experienced it here using past perfects, because before coming here, starting as this language center, we had been to several places. We had several teachers. Elsewhere, it means like anywhere. Okay. Mm, yeah, let's continue here. I especially enjoyed the interactive approach. Approach it means style, way of teaching. So, which included practical, like workable, effective activities that I still use in my, let's say, own teaching practice. Another topic-based vocabulary for you. So, teaching practice, own my own teaching practice. It means I'm a teacher and also I work. I uses methods, approaches, activities, right, in my teaching process. Interactive approach. Yeah. So we can just highlight this green one. It's topic based. Okay, let's continue. So now here, let's talk about like our suggestions, some ideas that can help improve this place. So, however, I would like to suggest one possible improvement. It means like it can be like done, it's not a big deal. So it might be beneficial to increase the number of lessons. So your like points should match with the task 1.1 and also with task 1.2, right? They shouldn't be different from each other because we talking about like two lessons per week, and that's the problem now. We are talking again as well. So it might be beneficial to increase the number of weekly lessons, let's say. Why they should improve? Because like reason is what? Two sessions were are not. To be complete this why let's just say in a safe way were not always sufficient. It means enough for consistent practice. Okay, I guess that's it. So consistent, it means like regular, right? Consistency, yeah. So sufficient for it means enough for regular learning. So sessions, yeah, it's a vocabulary. So we can take, copy paste it. Yeah, that's it. So improvements we're saying here. Let's make a correct, give some suggestions. No, we're only using giving only one suggestion. That's why give a suggestion. Let's make it correct. Always you should take a look here as well. Yes, now ending part. Once again, thank you for the valuable experience. So with regards, this time here would be Bushman. Yeah, and that's it. We're done. Thank you very much.